Friends, today we discuss about FlexLogger, that is a part of National Instruments. FlexLogger enables quick sensor configuration and mixed signal data logging. No programming required in this case. It simplifies test application validation with flexible, scalable and data logging systems built on NI data acquisition hardware. FlexLogger offers a fully featured and free light edition. As you see over here, there is a FlexLogger example. FlexLogger is powerful and versatile data acquisition solution provided by National Instruments. You can configure your any hardware device using this FlexLogger. Basically, this FlexLogger you can compare it with data loggers that are available in the market. You just plug and play your hardware devices. You need not to worry about programming. Over here, NI LabVIEW just integrate NXG with NI data acquisition software. Over here, what is FlexLogger? FlexLogger is an advanced data logging and analysis platform developed by National Instruments. It provides user with a comprehensive suite of tools to efficiently capture, manage and drive insights from complex data. You can log your data of any sensor like your temperature sensor, your pressure sensor, your flow sensor directly inside a file within a minute. We will show you how to configure different hardware devices with FlexLogger. Here are some features like flexible connectivity, powerful data acquisition, user interface is very simple, advanced analytics. FlexLogger support a wide range of sensors and devices. We will show you in the next video. FlexLogger hardware options, compact modules. It provides compact modules, modular configurations, portable solutions. FlexLogger offer a range of compact and rugged data acquisition modules designed for easy and versatile development in variety of environment. Users can combine multiple FlexLogger modules to create customized data acquisition setup based on their need or based on their application. FlexLogger also provide portable and battery powered options, enable data collection in remote or mobile scenario also where human cannot reach or which one is out of human reach. Here are some capabilities like FlexLogger contain data acquisition. FlexLogger software enables seamless data capture from a wide range of sensors like pressure, acceleration, temperature, flow, level, etc. Advanced analytics also included inside the software. Remote monitoring, it also helps. FlexLogger supports cloud-based connectivity, allowing users to remotely access and manage their data acquisition systems. Automation also included inside FlexLogger. The software offers automated data logging, monitoring capabilities, seamless workflow, reducing the risk of human error. Okay. FlexLogger development scenario. Initially, first, industrial automation. It enables real-time monitoring, analysis, critical process parameter in the industry automation settings. Also, we include it in health sector also, or you can say medical sector also. We can use it in environmental monitoring also. Okay. Here are some examples which we have to in our system. FlexLogger integration with NI ecosystem. You need NI LabVIEW, NI DI Academic. It is basically for powerful data analysis and visualization tool for in-depth insight and reporting. Then we have NI System Link, using which you can connect with the cloud-based platform for centralized management, monitoring, deployment of FlexLogger systems. Here is some pricing, flexible pricing available based on the application. Global availability is there. Technical support 24/7 is available. Trial option is also available. You can use it freely for 1 month. Okay, you can make your small project, not commercial one. You can make your educational and student version projects using this FlexLogger. Okay.